The drone is a great innovation. We can use drone in many domains. A drone can be used to help taxi to send information about traffic. In the domains of security, a policeman can use a drone to keep eyes on the dangers. In the domain of farming, the drone can disperse pesticides more precisely than a plane. In the domain cinema, a drone can be used to project a movie on the wall outside. The drone will become an important technology in this world. We can use the drone to many domains.
A drone is composed of different sensors, 5 to be precise. The accelerometer lets you know in which direction the drone is moving. It does not detect a position but an acceleration. The gyroscope measures change of orientation. The magnetometer measures magnetic fields, and the reels have a magnetic field as a function of compass.
The last sensor is the ultrasound sensor, which is used to know the height of the drone in comparison to the floor.
The propellers are, of course, put in motion with 4 motors. In a turn, they change airspeed, for don't have the same and orient the drone. They use a program to do this.
The stator produced a rotating field created by the coil, as they are traversed by the current, one after the other.
The 4 motors need electrical energy to turn, and this energy comes from the battery. She gives electrical energy that requests the 4 motors for work. She has 11 volt and 2500 milliampere hour.
First, we control the drone with the V-mode control. The drone is connected to the V-mode control towards, and with V-mode control we can make many tricks. When the drone is in the air, we take V-mode control to turn right or left.
We will present you some moves about drones: to take off, to pitch, to yaw, to roll, and to end it, the landing. To begin, put the contact on and start the drone. Then, with the controller, set all propellers at like 50% and it will take off the ground. When the drone is in the air, to perform a pitch, which is to go from the front to the back, 2 propellers are set at 50% and the 2 others are slower, like 35%. After the pitch, we will perform the yaw, which is to rotate on itself. There is 2 modes: clockwise, which use 2 propellers in diagonal, which work together at the same speed. Others are slower, to rotate right. Then, to perform the roll, which is to move from left to right, you need to set 2 propellers at 50%, for example, and 2 other a bit slower, like 35% again.